Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Westminster local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers has been in this field of moving services for about 2 centuries. Our long-distance movers provide professional services for everyone, including family, student, veteran, or business, no matter how far you need to move. We intend to help you and make your move a lot simpler for any relocation, whether it's big or small. Our expert team will take care of all the important things, including we provide packing and unpacking services to make your move smooth and easy. We are always upfront about transparent pricing. Choosing a local moving company in Westminster may seem immoderate to you, but when you count the benefits contrary to expense, you may find it's well worth it. You can save a lot of time and the unnecessary burden of loading everything from one place to another. In addition, having time and a stress-free mood to do other important things regarding the move can help you justify the cost of hiring a moving company. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Westminster moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.